Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to set up confirmation email in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to access our Shopify store. So go to shopify.com, log in into your account and open up your store. Now in our main dashboard here, so what we need to do is we need to access our settings. So at the bottom left of your screen, just click on settings here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to locate notifications. So at the left panel here, just scroll down a bit until you see notifications and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see a section that is called orders. And in this case, we have our order confirmation. So let's go ahead and open up this one. Now in this case, it's going to give us a preview of our email order confirmation as well as the SMS. Now if you want to edit this sections here, what we need to do is we need to basically edit the code itself. So currently this is the only way for us to edit this. Now in this case, like for example, if you want to change, like for example, this section here that says thank you for your purchase, you can go ahead and just click on edit code at the top right. Now when you're editing your code here, it's very important that you don't delete certain tags. Like for example, for sections here that says a parenthesis section here, make sure that you don't delete this one. Now in this case, you have to have at least basic knowledge on how to edit HTML and CSS so that you won't be confused on certain areas. Like for example, if you want to change something here, just click on Control F. And if you want to search a certain phrase, go ahead and click enter it in the find section. Now from here, just click on next. And from here, you should be able to see what you are looking for. So for now, I want to say thank you here. From here, click on next. And from here, you could go ahead and just change it. Like for example, thank you for your order. And we want to add this one, please come again. And you could go ahead and just click on the save at the top right. But if you want to preview it first, just click on preview here. It's going to pop up the preview. And from here, you could go ahead and edit if you see something that is not up to your liking. Now in this case, we want to maybe add this section in here as well. Click on preview again. And from here, as you can see, please come again was added. But yeah, so once satisfied, you can go ahead and test a send email notification. So in the preview at the bottom right, we have the send test email. But once satisfied, just click on the save at the top right, and your changes should now be applied. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.